Hi everyone, my name is Tey Xue Rov and my metric number is F22G0286. I'm SVP from Fiat University, Malaysia, Kelantan. So today, I would like to present my industrial training experience at Bumimas Food Manufacturing, Sendirian Berhad, a company under Kim Yam Group. So my internship was conducted from 9th of March 2026 until 28th of June 2026. And I was attached to the quality control, quality assurance, and HALA department. So throughout this presentation, I will briefly introduce the company, summarize my industrial training activities, present the three main projects that I was involved in, and conclude my internship experience. And finally, I will share several suggestions based on my internship. So, before introducing the company, I would like to share my most valuable experience and memorable memory during my internship. So, the most valuable experience for me was having the opportunity to work in the quality control, quality assurance, and also HALA department. During these 16 weeks, I learned many practical skills that cannot be fully gained in the classroom, such as quality inspection, production documentation, food safety practices, and communication with different departments. So I was also actively involved in the simpler repacking project, which allowed me to understand the responsibilities of a QC and QA personnel in a real manufacturing environment. The most memorable moment was my last day of internship. Before leaving, I prepared chocolates for my supervisor and colleagues as a small token of appreciation. We took many group photos together, exchanged farewell wishes, and everyone encouraged me for my future career. So it was a meaningful ending to my internship, and I will always remember the support and kindness shown by everyone in the company. Lastly, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to my supervisor, all my colleagues, the production team, and University Malaysia Kelantan for giving me this valuable opportunity and continuously supporting me throughout my internship. Now, I would like to introduce my internship company. I completed my industrial training at Bumimas Food Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad, which operates under Kim Yam Group. Kim Yam Group was established in 1998 in Malaysia and has grown into a company involved in the frozen food industry. The company's vision is to become the world's leading consumer company for halal frozen food products and also services. Its mission is to provide safe and quality products, improve customers' quality of life, and maintain a safe working environment for all employees. During my internship, I observed that these values were consistently applied in daily operations, especially in quality control, food safety management, and continuous improvement activities. Kim Yam Group operates in several business areas, including food repacking, agribusiness, aquaculture, logistics, and retail chain operations. During my internship, I was mainly involved in the food repacking division, where frozen food products received from suppliers were repacked according to customers' requirements before distribution. The company's operation begins with receiving incoming products, followed by quality inspection to ensure the products meet the required standards, and the products are then sent for food repacking, followed by another quality verification before being transferred to the warehouse for storage and finally distributed to customers. So this workflow allows the company to maintain product quality, traceability, and food safety throughout the entire production process. Working in this environment also helped me understand how different departments cooperate to ensure that customer requirements are consistently met. So this slide shows the organizational structure of Bumimas Food Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad. During my internship, I was attached to the quality control, quality assurance, and HALA department under the supervision of Miss Siti Suraya binti Mohamad. So my department was mainly responsible for ensuring product quality, food safety, documentation, and compliance with customer requirements. So throughout the internship, I carried out various quality inspections, completed production documents, monitored production activities, and assisted in HALA-related matters. Besides working within my own department, I also had the opportunity to communicate and collaborate with other departments, such as the production team, warehouse, marketing department, technicians, and also suppliers. So this helped me understand the importance of teamwork and effective communication in ensuring smooth production operations. So overall, this internship allowed me to experience how different departments work together to achieve the company's quality and production objectives. Besides producing its own frozen food products, Bumimas also provides food repacking and OEM services for different customers. Some of the company's main products, such as hash browns, french fries, puff pastry, pastry wrappers, fresh durian products, and ice cream products. During my internship, I had the opportunity to handle several of these products, especially simplot hash browns, Bumimas potato products, fresh durian products for export, crab stick repacking, and puff pastry products. Apart from manufacturing and repacking food products, the company also provides services such as food repacking, OEM manufacturing, private label services, warehousing, logistics, and product distribution. These services allow the company to meet different customer requirements while maintaining product quality and food safety standards. So next, I would like to briefly summarize my industrial training activities over the 16-week internship. Throughout my internship, I was exposed to various aspects of food manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance, and food safety management. So my daily responsibilities included conducting quality inspections, monitoring production activities, preparing quality documentation and reports, as well as supporting halal-related activities. Besides routine work, I also learned how different departments cooperate to ensure production runs efficiently while meeting customer specifications and food safety requirements. During the internship, I gradually became more independent in handling my responsibilities. Besides performing routine quality control work, I also participated in machine troubleshooting, packaging verification, supplier communication, and quality improvement activities. So these experiences not only strengthened my technical knowledge but also improved my communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. Overall, this industrial training successfully bridged the gap between classroom learning and real industrial practice, gave me a better understanding of the responsibilities of a quality control and quality assurance executive, and prepare me for my future career in the food manufacturing industry. So now, I would like to present the first project that I was involved in during my internship, which was the Simplot hash brown repacking project. Simplot is one of the suppliers of hash brown products to McDonald's. During my internship, I participated in the repacking process of 7 containers of Simplot hash brown products. The main objective of this project was to ensure that every product meet the customer's quality requirements before distribution. Throughout the entire repacking process, strict quality control, complete documentation, and product traceability were required to maintain product quality and comply with customer specifications. So my responsibilities mainly included receiving inspections, quality control inspection, documentation, and production monitoring. This project gave me valuable hands-on experience in applying quality control procedures in a real food manufacturing environment, and allow me to understand how every stage contributes to maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. So this slide summarizes the main quality control activities that I performed throughout the Simplot repacking project. The process started with receiving inspection when the container arrived. I checked the condition of the products and recorded important information such as the container number, seal number, unloading information, and other required records before production started. One of my main responsibilities was conducting timestamp inspections. 5 cartons were randomly selected from different production timestamps throughout the production process. I inspected the product condition, recorded the required information, and took photographs for documentation purposes. All photographs and inspection results were then compiled into detailed Excel reports to ensure proper traceability and quality monitoring. Besides that, I carried out in-process quality control (IPQC) by checking the tray weight, product weight, and finished carton weight to ensure that all products comply with customer specifications. Finally, I completed the batch manufacturing record (BMR) by recording stock in, stock out quantities, production wastage, damaged trays, damaged carton boxes, and other production information. These documents are very important because they provide complete traceability throughout the production process. So through this project, I gained practical experience in quality control procedures, documentation, and production monitoring, while understanding the importance of maintaining consistency and product quality. The second project involved investigating a quality issue related to triangle-shaped hash browns during the baking process. During production, we discovered that only 9 pieces could fit into one tray, although the required packing specification was 10 pieces. So this issue affected packing efficiency and did not meet the customer's required packaging specification. After observation and discussion, we found that some of the hash browns become slightly hard after prolonged freezing, while surface frost also affected the arrangement of the products inside the tray. So instead of changing the packaging design, we apply a practical solution by gently loosening and slightly reshaping the products before packing. So this allowed all 10 pieces to fit properly while maintaining the product quality. Although the issue was successfully resolved during production, it was still formally documented as part of the company's quality management system. Photographs were taken and a detailed report was prepared and submitted to the supplier for further investigation. Later, the supplier sent a sample carton for evaluation. The sample products fitted properly into the packaging without any issues. However, when another production batch arrived, the same problem appeared again. So therefore, another report together with supporting photographs was prepared and submitted to the supplier for further corrective action. So this experience taught me the importance of problem solving, supplier communication, and proper documentation when handling quality related issues. So the third project involved the implementation of an automatic paging and printing machine used during the production process. Previously, packaging materials had to be fit into the printer manually, one by one. The new machine combines automatic paging with printing functions, allowing packaging materials to be separated automatically while printing information such as expiry dates and nutrition facts. This helped improve production efficiency and reduce manual handling. After my manager returned from training with the supplier, he trained my supervisor, the production leader, and me on how to operate the machine. So as production continued, I became involved in setting up the machine, performing test printing, preparing printing files using the UCAN software, and supporting daily machine operation. Whenever technical problems occurred, such as incorrect machine settings, sensor misalignment, ribbon replacement, or inconsistent printing quality, I communicated directly with the supplier's technician because my manager was often outstationed or working at another office. After understanding the solutions, I explained and demonstrated the corrective actions to the production leader so that production could continue smoothly. Overall, this project improved my technical knowledge, communication skills, and confidence in handling production equipment and solving practical problems in a manufacturing environment. To conclude, my 16-week industrial training at Munimas Food Manufacturing Sendirian Berhad was a valuable and meaningful learning experience. Throughout this internship, I gained practical knowledge in quality control procedures, food safety management, production documentation, and machine operation. So this experience allowed me to apply the theoretical knowledge that I learned at university in a real industrial environment. So besides improving my technical skills, I also developed important soft skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management through daily collaboration with different departments, suppliers, and technicians. So overall, this internship gave me a better understanding of the responsibilities of a QC and QA executive, increased my confidence in working independently, and prepared me for my future career in the food manufacturing industry. So, based on my internship experience, I would like to share a few suggestions. Firstly, for the faculty, I suggest conducting the industrial training briefing earlier and communicating the report and presentation schedule earlier. This would allow students to prepare their resumes, apply for internships, arrange accommodation if necessary, and manage their final year academic workload more effectively. Secondly, for the industry, I suggest increasing the office or workspace capacity and adding more manpower, especially in the QC, QA, and production departments. This will help improve workflow efficiency and better support future production expansion and new projects. Lastly, for myself, I will continue improving my knowledge in food safety and quality management systems by learning more about HALA, HACCP, GMP, and internal auditing. I also hope to further strengthen my technical troubleshooting abilities and communication skills to become a more competent quality professional in the future. So this slide shows several supporting materials collected throughout my industrial training. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.